Welcome everyone, my name is Jeff and this is the Sig Sauer P365 X Macro Comp California Edition. Welcome to my channel, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Sig P365 X Macro Comp California Edition. This is my first firearm, so I wanted to show what my unboxing and first impressions are for the people that also want to go ahead and get this one added to their collection, or if you're just browsing to find your own first firearm as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. Just on the front, taking a look at the case, it's a nice hard plastic case with a Sig logo embossed in the front. On this side we have the warnings and precautions. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of that and read it yourself. Pretty important stuff. And I already went ahead and taped up the serial number. You don't need to know that. Up top in big bold font is the SKU. Right underneath it, it says, let's see what it says, P365, 9mm, 3.1 inch, meaning for the length of the barrel. X series, just a little bit larger than the regular P365, comes in the color black. Striker fire there. X-ray 3 day and night sights. Polymer grip, 2 10-round magazines, optic ready, a compensator, and California compliant. On the bottom right, it says date 10 December 2024. So I think this is a pretty brand new one. It just came right out the factory, or right out the warehouse, so it's still super stiff. Let's go ahead and unbox it here. Opening it up, let's take a look. Got the gun right here, front and center. Let's go ahead and take that out. And let's just set that off to the side. Let's take a look at everything else inside the case. Nice Sig Sauer sticker. We can go and put that, I don't know, my water bottle or something. Extra paperwork from Sig. A little bit of advertisements for their ammunition there. A little manual. And ATF little pamphlet thing here. Okay, don't really care about that stuff. Inside we have 2 back straps. I think the one that comes already from the factory is the medium sized one, if you can see that there. It already feels really good in the hands. Gotta take this off a little later. Here is the small, as well as the large, so a little bit thicker. I'm gonna play around with that, see which one I like the best. I'll either be between the medium or the large. Here we have an extra 10-round magazine. This is California edition, so can't have the original 17 capacity magazine, only 10. Comes with 2 witness holes at 5 and 10. Just so you can take a quick peek and see how many rounds you have in there. And a little Sig logoed speed loader there. Pretty good. When I was doing the safety firearm demonstration in the store, it was pretty tough getting 2 rounds in there. So I think we'll go and demonstrate this in a little bit. And let's take a look. When I left, there it is, the cable lock. So when you leave, you're supposed to go ahead and lock the whole case up and lock it. And I think my firearm salesman forgot to do that. So if I was caught up with this, might have been in big trouble. But this is the cable lock that you could wrap around and lock it secure. Let's go ahead, put that back in here. Let's set this aside. So here's the 365 itself. I decided to go with this one because it seemed a little bit larger, fit my pinky a little bit better. And let's go and take off all the stuff here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this small water bottle thing, perhaps. Little operator manual before removing this. Okay, let's go and take it off. And a little chamber flag here. There you go. The Sig P365 X Macro Comp California Edition. Already feels really, really good in the hands. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, pretty tight. So this one comes with the compensator on the very top of the slide there. So as the round is fired, all the gases push out this way, and the gases also come out through the top, which reduces the muzzle rise. So in theory, it gets you faster follow-up shots after the first one. It does have that X-ray 3 day and night sights there, if you could see that. Pretty clear in the front. Okay. As it is a California compliant edition, it does have a loaded chamber indicator there, as well as when you disconnect the magazine, you cannot fire the trigger. Just go ahead and, there's the wall. There it is again. So let's go ahead and let's load up this magazine real quick. So I got on the sides here some dummy rounds from Amazon. No primer, just plastic and metal just to simulate the weight and feel of a 9mm round. So first couple ones, let's pop this in here. Let me, if I can give it a shot. Still pretty tight, I barely got 2 in there, but let's try this here. Just put it down. Yeah, pretty good. I just watched a couple of YouTube videos and saw this is how much you do it. Let's go ahead and fully load it up. About 10 rounds here. It's about 7, 8. And this, yeah, this last one's super tight. Okay, but that worked pretty good. Okay. And right there you can see in the witness hole is about 10 rounds right there. Let's go ahead and load it up. Pretty good. And now you can see that slight loaded chamber indicator there. So you can see that round in the chamber there. Okay. Very cool. So yeah, this is my first firearm. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of that. I do have the Holosun EPS carry in green with a multi-reticle system. I will be doing an unboxing and installation video of that. So go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on this video. As well as, let's go ahead and put this off to the side, the Mantis X Laser Academy training kit. So after I put in all the accessories, I'll be going and trying this out. Just got this in the mail the other day. Came a little ripped up already. But again, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and hopefully you can see a little bit more of my firearm journey here. Thanks for watching.